Hi, my name is Christi Johnson, and I am the author of The Art of Embroidery Design, a book meant to expand your creativity and teach you how to develop your own original stitching designs. While mystical stitches served as more of an introduction to working with embroidered symbols to cast spells and manifest intentions, the art of embroidery design is meant to bring you further into the realm of creativity and design, allowing you to create your own works of art in threads. This includes exercises that break through our mind's focus on whether or not we are creative, hint, we are actually all creative, practices that help us develop our skills as image makers, and guidance through the elements of design that can help you compose a piece you'll be proud to call your own. I've woven all of these into the art of embroidery design, and each chapter ends with sketchbook and sampler experiments that bring you off the page and into your own creative practice. We then walk through the elements of design that make up a finished work of art. Approaching the creative process in sections can help provide a bit of framework for the sometimes overwhelming amount of visual options we have to choose from. The art of embroidery design blends together the creative power that comes through developing your own designs with your own personal power and helps you to discover how that can be expressed out in the world in greater ways.